I came to AMP because I'm really passionate for music. I just love the thrill when you go on stage, and especially when you get applause or laughter, it just makes you feel so good.
I remember being in high school and being passionate about singing and songwriting, but just kind of having no idea on how to do it or how to go about it. And I thought, wow, I wish someone came into school when I was at that age and kind of gave me a little bit of an insight as to how to do this. So I thought, well, yeah, that's maybe what I'll do to, to students now.
I think AMPeD is amazing to be offered at a high school with the calibre of all the artists and people that are here. No matter if it's game development or songwriting, or if they want to go down into film and media, there's something for everyone.
I would definitely recommend AMP to students who are interested in fields such as like musical theatre and songwriting, because you definitely get to learn a lot of new skills.
Even other things like drumming, DJing, like guitar, like backing vocals, there's a lot of different sessions.
I've been to the performance musical theatre masterclass this morning. So there were 3 people that performed, and then Lucy, who was the guest, was giving them advice, and we got to ask her a few questions at the end.
To be kind of coached by such an icon like Lucy Durack, yeah, just the interactive side of it, like I was able to sing in front of her and get some really good feedback on that as well.
The students were really into everything I was talking about. I had some great questions. They actually seemed quite advanced, like they knew a lot of the technology I was actually talking about. I did manage to hip them to a few things that they didn't, but they were like all writing it down, and I know it's really going to help them to get their music to the next level.
You know, the tricky thing about being an artist is there's no set career path. You sort of have to forge your own way and discover it as you go along. So to have this access to people that are doing it in the real world, and to get some insight and wisdom at this early stage of your journey is priceless, I think.
The highlight is just meeting people like within the industry that you potentially want to enter into is really exciting, and seeing like what you could potentially do in the future and the possibilities.
They're the ones who want to learn. I mean, I have a lifetime of experience. I want to talk to people who can actually feast on the experience that I've had and learn from it.
You realize that, you know, it's not just fun and games. You know, we've all been through an important journey of hard work and rejections, and that it is possible, because we are the proof that it's, you know, it's possible to do something like this and do what you love in life.
I hope from today the students just have a good idea of how to get started. They don't need to get their music degree first or spend $1,500 on software and huge computers and things like that. You know, this is something they can do now.
You can create relationships with people in Hollywood, but from ELTHAM. So, you know, I tried to inspire the kids to create and then put it out there and then start their careers that way.
If they practice their arts, let their talent grow, the opportunities will be there.